Collecting a swarm, catching a swarm. Shanda's gonna pull the limb down. Ben's gonna trap or dump them in there. Wonder what.
Are they gonna just like disperse everywhere?
The ones that go in there are gonna stay, so the other ones are gonna hit the ground, then they're gonna.
Do you mind holding this so I can get out of the way?
There you go. Bee catchers.
There's so many in one of the frames. This will be good.
That is how you do it.
You gotta wait though.
I know she's in
Hear her?
No, no. Yeah, she's going, help.
Yeah. Help me, help me. Don't need no bee suit.
Really? Come here, Jason. Watch this.
I'm close enough, I
Oh,
think.
I forgot you don't have a suit on.
Yeah, I don't have a suit on.
I'm going to take this back.
Okay.
No, I'll tell you what. You can shake it.
Shake the brain.
Yeah, because that makes me smell.
Okay, now they're getting a little, I think, agitated because the queen's no longer where they're at. So I'm going to kind of back up a little bit. Feel some on. Well, a bunch of them just fell down. We haven't been stoned yet.
They'll keep going back up there.
So we need to shake it back down again.
Look at dude running.
That's more than you'll buy.
Really?
Yeah, you'll buy it. You want to interview the bee catcher?
The bee wranglers.
That's right.
Who are you going to
It's
call?
a trial by fire.
Yeah,
for
who you
sure.
gonna call?
Who are you going to call?
Bee busters.
Here. He said this is a huge swarm.
Is it?
Bigger than one you'd buy, for sure.
Okay, good.
Like you, okay, I put the, don't go in it for like a week, okay? And then after a week, take the top off and see if they've moved to those blank ones and started drawing out more comb. Because
Okay.
those two ones in there are already drawn.
Okay.
She should start laying at those.
Okay.
But she doesn't have to wait on anything.
So we're going to tape it off and
When we
bring it to
leave.
the house, and then we're not going to touch it
Don't
for a
touch
week.
it for a week.
Okay.
Just let it set. Did it go back on the branch?
Yeah, there's a bunch up there again. A bunch. You might want to open that thing again and dump them in there. There's a bunch up there again. Hold on, baby.
They'll find it.
All right.
Shake it.
You want to shake it again, Ben?
Huh?
You want to shake it again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Once we leave, they'll just die.
You said they'll start marching
Okay,
in
I'm about
the
to
next-
stop.